you can just get in and go. Wow. This is a cruise car. How many stories? Yo, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's more than 10 floors. More than 10 floors. Look at that. Look at that. Yo. You see those adverts when they advertise that you want to work inside the boat, cruise or what? Yeah, it's like when you apply to those jobs, you're coming to work in a ship, inside a ship like this. It goes all over with you. This one, they say it goes to Spain. I wish I can get inside there and go to Spain.